there, deal there.
Easy. Knock on me over here. Go. Hussein, dot ball.
How many left?
Last ball. And you can't hit sixes anymore. You can't hit sixes. Yeah! Adel!
Yes!
Come on! Unlucky, Kami! Unlucky! 4 wickets! Come on, captain!
We need that.
What a Adil, you're
और ऐसा बच्चों ना
ऐसा बच्चा ना
अच्छा इम्तियाज है उधर
Deal है. Deal हो गया ना.
मेरे हो गए
चल.
माशा पिस्तान
अच्छा मालिक ओ लिसन ए टू बी तो अपनी टीम में दसी हो जरा बॉलिंग करती ना once I say play yeah and इस तो बाद जिस बंदे गाली की थी ना उसे मैं वार्निंग ले दे मैं सीधा सुपर Equal match, you there play.
Why? No one speak. Don't speak. The rules tight. Once Uncle goes play.
Play.
Killer.
No, that's the rule. The umpire says play. Then you're officially alive.
Play.
Yeah.
Play. No one speak now, please. Play.
Wait.
And as you can say any time.
No. No. मैं सही आपका.
Whole strategy by the team.
Haji play. You say it now.
Come on. We got him. We got him.
Haji say it loud and loud.
Got him. We got him. Wait.
Oi.
Come on.
Play. अदल तू बची गई है प्ले तो बाद तू बोले मैं छोड़ देता हूँ
Come on, we gotta run. If it goes to him, run. There's only 3 overs left.
Play.
Go. Calm down.
ताकि पिन ड्रॉप साइलेंस प्ले तो बाद
Yes, no need to rush. You're not 4 big sixes. 4 sixes चाहिए. ज़्यादा नहीं. मज़ा नहीं आ रहा.
ट्रैक रही
Trap in 2 play रह गए.
They can't hit him.
प्ले
Go.
That's it. मज़ा नहीं आ
That's
रहा.
it. You're true. Come on.
मज़ा नहीं आ रहा. हसन बॉल नहीं पकड़ी जा रही.
सुपर बॉल दिया मजा आई जैसे.
ये आफ्टर बॉल है. और लालची. हसन.
प्ले
Wait. One. Ali, one. Hold on.
Go down, that's one.
नहीं तो मतलब जाओ रन करो
नहीं मगर आउट है
नहीं he would have made it
Come on up. 2 balls remaining. Halfway.
How many balls?
Big man, big 6.
play
Come on. Here you go. Back off.
Good feeling to see. Last ball.
Play.
Lovely bowling, lovely.
Over. How many overs left, Ahmad? 2 hours.
2 overs remaining.
2-2.
160.
Yes, now you batting beautiful.
2 overs remaining.
सब जरा तो सब टक्कर लग गया ना आगे पीछे कोई बोले तो मैं ऐसा कसम खाई नहीं बोलने लगे ऐसा
यारा प्ले तो बाद कोई बंदा बोला है ना मैं प्ले तो बाद कोई बोला है ना यारा ना ना प्ले तो लाइव हो जाना प्ले तो बाद लाइव हो जाना ना ना प्ले तो बाद जिला एम्पायर है प्ले रूल हो जाना स्कोर क्या है यार 160 2 overs left
Very far away from the 220 mark.
no problem
I told you the strategy.
play
need to go straight
You also want to change the field quickly.
you can't do it
You can't do it.
Come on, Sufi now.
you can't you dead bowler now
Now. 6.
Hasan चुप
play wide
Wide ball.
1 roll
Wide ball. Come on, Nav. No cheap. On a 6. Good bye. Better love.
play
that's it good shot
lovely shot
that's it 4
Beautiful shot. What a shot.
ATB, keep him on the boundary.
I said to Sufi go back but he not listen
good shot that's it now he is the one of the straight that's it that's what you need to do
वो यहाँ खड़ा हो गया वरना ये फोर थोड़ी होता उसको मैं बोल रहा हूँ घंटे से पीछे गया छोड़ नहीं रहा
नहीं अच्छी बात है आगे खड़ा होकर
तो हाजी साहब ने ऐसा उसको दबाव डाल दिया सुन ही नहीं रहा किसी
वो अंकल से डर गया
और डर गया अंकल से मैं बोला तो सुपर ओवर काजी के उस पे आ जाएगा काजी डिड यू चेक द कैमरा इज वर्किंग I said Kazi always, you know, when you start the bowling, check the camera, yeah, wicket, chicken, everything out of China.
Yes, low now.
ਉਹ ਚੈੱਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦਾ ਉਹ ਇਧਰ
Oh, 6%.
ਇਧਰ ਕਾਜੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰਨੀ ਸੀ ਪਤਾ ਸੇ ਪਟਕਾਰ ਮੈਨੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੋ
वो किधर चला गया बॉल
ਉਹ ਹਮਾਦ ਇੱਕ ਹੋਰ ਬੰਦਾ ਭੇਜੋ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸੁਫੀ ਕਿਥੋਂ ਬਾਹਰ ਕੱਢਿਆ
कोई कोर पे जो यारा आते जा आप
यार चंगा पला में उधर खलोते ऐसा
इतनी दूर नहीं गई यारा बॉल जिस सदमे में चला गया उधर से कोई नहीं निकाला
नहीं पता क्या I'll be honest with you
That's a good rule. I like that.
you know no it is because if you look at the umpire he will have his arm so basically what he does when he takes his arm down that means the game is live now but say for at the last moment the bowler goes and stops or something
Wants to change the field.
then he or that would you know ball he will say that that's the rule ਜਿਹੜਾ ਵੀ ਤੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਇਹ ਸੀ ਨਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਇਸ ਨੇ ਸਿੱਧਾ if he goes over here
Yeah, no, that makes
Yeah?
sense. Yeah, because there you can't bowl from there, can you?
yeah so
Once
when it's
there,
here
you have
then
to
it's
release it.
live
Yeah,
he has to, then he can run
yeah.
but if it's here then he's taking the advantage because he's
By
still
running
here and
early,
you're already running
He's taking a risk.
Yeah.
And, yeah, we can take
so
advantage.
well, it's round you know that's what it is but उसने ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਨਾ ਥੋੜਾ ਸਪਿਰਿਟ ਆਫ ਦ ਗੇਮ ਬੰਦੇ ਕੀ ਕਰਨੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ you know ਮੇਰਾ ਆਪ
ਪਹਿਲੀ
ਇਸ
ਵਾਰੀ
ਸਪਿਰਿਟ ਦਾ ਹੀ ਹੋਣੀ
ਪਹਿਲੀ ਵਾਰੀ ਆਊਟ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ
ਮੈਨ ਕਾਈਂਡ ਬਾਹਰ ਦਾ ਇਧਰ ਮੈਨ ਕਾਈਂਡ ਸੇ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦਾ
ਇੰਡੋ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੇ ਹੋਣੇ
hey I think you done your four you done your four
I think I've done 3
have you Hussein Hussein how many overs 8 to be done
how many overs has 8 to be done
you know the biggest mistake you made and I told them no you should have opened with your ball
You know why I did that?
I told them that agar 80 wicket
But that mistake-
he will take the wicket
No, but that's why I did it open because a deal goes. I wanted them to start slow, and you lot
No.
did. I took the last power play. I took 2 wickets.
जे अगर पहले करने ने ना भी 170 180 that's a good score.
ना हमारी biggest गलती थी.
No, Naveed just said that's it. Lovely.
Malak de.
170 was a very good score. Very good score.
190
190 now 170.
190 recovered pay aje. Asa stay there jara.
Hassan Imtiaz, get ready for it.
थोड़ा स्ट्रेट हो जाए.
Play. Dot.
You throw me, yeah? Then I give it to Qazi. Then it look professional. That's it. That's one again.
Oi!
That's a lovely shot there. Now a lovely shot. You've been watching me too much.
Oh, Hassan, go field. You're not leaving.
Stop wasting time. Come on,
Catch,
boy.
man.
Okay, play.
Catch it. Hassan, get two. Hassan, come on. Hassan, come on, go. Go for 3.
Down the short run. Haji Saab.
Good running.
2 runs.
Haji.
Saab.
After a short run.
I said running check.
Yeah.
I think it's short run.
Which one? By mile.
Distraction कर रहा है. Boundary से short run नजर आ रहा है. Warning. Last warning.
Oh,
मतलब वहाँ जा.
that came in. That was in.
Last ball. Last ball.
Last ball.
Yeah.
Let's take that too. Come on. Yeah, come on.
गुरजाल भी. मतलब कहाँ जा.
Leg side.
अंकल warning है ये.
No, leg side गया जी.
Well, I do keeping.
Last over.
Malik is last over, isn't it? I should do keeping, man.
ओए मलक बाला बीट रहा है.
अच्छा बॉल लेके यहाँ तक आए मैं करूँ
वो पूछ रहा है ना
कैप्टन हो यार कैप्टन
मुझे
ठीक है. Come on now, just keep it up like that.
मलक एडबी.
He hit it straight. Only straight.
लास्ट ओवर है ये.
Oh!
Wide.
Yes, Adi.
Yes, Adi. You ready, uncle?
Yeah.
That's it.
Hey, come on!
That's it. Go.
Qazi!
Go.
God. Uncle! Yeah!
Yeah, Adi
That's a
Saab.
good crowd!
Very good, Adi Saab. Very good.
मैं देना ना तो बैट ही नहीं रखे था. तू बैट रखा था. बैट क्या ही अच्छी.
भाई तो चला गया बाहर.
Qazi, what throw?
तो कहने की मैं सही थी ना.
ball down roll.
मैं नहीं हो कुछ की.
Uncle!